Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what XLM is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, like I'd always like to start, guys. So I haven't changed the fibs. I mean, these fibs are probably going to be here for a minute, but if you're new to the channel, let's just review them. We're going all the way back from May 16 of 2019 to March 13's low. So that's how we're getting this fibs here, guys. So the one thing that I like that we have going on for us is we are holding above the 200-day moving average, 20-day moving average, and RSI looks bullish. So I thought about getting long yesterday, when we pulled back, and then I said, we should probably, wait a little bit, and I'm waiting to see how the candle is going to close for today. So those are kind of like my thoughts currently. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel to reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always said, hey, make sure you train somebody just like we trained you so you can make some shackles. So here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the planet to trade market. So that being said, don't forget to pulverize that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. So let's just get back to the charts again here. So I think this is starting to look bullish. I mean, bullish enough for me to do something tomorrow, but I kind of want to wait and see how we close today, because I don't want to pull the trigger. I mean, if we close today, all of a sudden bears come in and we push below the 200-day moving average, and then I'm definitely out. But this is looking enticing, like we're going to start breaking higher. Hopefully it does, but I don't like to play on the hope system, so I like to be kind of very sure what stuff is going to happen. So that being said, guys, if we were to break lower, I mean, the line in the sand will be the 23% retracement, so basically 6 cents. If you were to go lower than that, as I mentioned before, it'll be like 2 cents, and at that point I will be loading up if we go all the way down to 2 cents, like big time. Do you think it could happen? Possibly. I mean, we have election in the next few weeks, so we just have to kind of wait and see. I don't want to place any big positions because of the volatility that could happen. So I think our next, main target will be, target number 1 will be 9 cents basically, and then you're going to encounter a lot of resistance at 61% retracement, which is 11. If you were to do some risk to reward here, if we place a stop right below the 200-day moving average with a target of about 11 cents, that puts a risk to reward 7.6121. So I mean, risk to reward definitely checks out. But I want to wait and see, like I said, how we close today, because that's going to tell me, hey, is this a false breakout and we're going to go down, or what's going on here? So and before we get all the way here, I'll probably move my stops to break even. Just kind of take some risk off the table, because we don't have unlimited amount of money, so just keep that in mind. By the way, guys, we got a lot of emails requesting, a private chat. We have created a private chat. I'll post the link on the description below. It's EC Crypto Pro, so if you want somebody to hold your hand at all times, I will be there holding your hand at all times. We'll post setups and everything, but it will be a private chat, and you do have to pay for it, so you have to subscribe. So keep that in mind if you need some extra help. I mean, I post everything you need to make shackles is posted on this videos, but if you want more help, definitely we'll be there. So ultimately, I think realistically our goal will be the 78.6, and once we break the 16-cent mark, and then that's when this is going to start getting very, very bullish. I mean, we're kind of far away, so I don't like to get my hopes up until we get there. A lot of my friends ask me, hey, where do you see the price here and there? And I'm like, we're so far from the levels that you're asking me that I don't know. I like to work based on the levels, and then I think the fibs are great example on how levels work. I mean, they're like stair steps, and typically, as long as you draw them correctly, they work pretty well. So that being said, guys, so yeah, we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen today on this close, and then work it from there. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.